Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control Fire TV without remote. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Check network. Your phone and your Fire TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Fire TV app. Choose your Fire Stick. Now you can control Fire TV using your phone. That's it. Now you know how to control Fire TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.